This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a close-to-the-loop West Loop location that has great proximity to restaurants, nightlife, shops, and public transit for a tour of one of the apartments at the always popular Presidential Towers. I'm in the foyer of apartment 3408, a one-bedroom in Tower 4. Look at a walk-in closet as you enter the unit and looking at plank flooring that extends throughout the living areas. Continuing in, off to the right is an efficient U-shaped kitchen with a 4-burner electric range, built-in dishwasher, all stainless steel appliances, dark cabinetry, one of several finished packages that you'll find at Presidential Towers. And then looking at a fairly spacious living dining area with a view out to the north. As you head toward the bath, there's a linen closet and a bath with a wall-wide vanity with a wide mirror and a bank of drawers for storage. Bedroom, also fairly spacious, is carpeted. Has that same view out to the north, looking both toward the River North neighborhood, not far away, and the great dining and nightlife scene in the West Loop. Whole Foods, you can see, is just across the expressway, as is Mariano's. Another wide closet in the bedroom. Overall, unusually good storage in this one-bedroom apartment. Presidential Towers has an appealing location, extensive amenities. It's one of the more popular destinations in the sizzling hot West Loop, and it belongs on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.